today we will be seeing the overview of the module 2. So first topic is your single phase circuit. It is comprising of 10 lectures. First is your AC through resistor. Similarly, the next two is your inductor and capacitor. So your AC through resistor, inductor, capacitor ends till lecture 3. Lecture 4, 5, 6 is your series circuit of RL, RC, RLC. Lecture 7, 8, 9 is your RL, RC, RLC parallel circuit, and the lecture 10 is your power in AC circuit. So single phase circuit is comprising of 10 lectures and all your main topics will be covered here. Next is your three-phase circuit. In this, the lecture 11 is the advantages of three-phase supply. Lecture 12 is your is the generation of three-phase power and how it is distributed. Lecture 13 is the relation between voltage and current in star delta connection. Lecture 14 and 15 is the 2 wattmeter method in star as well as in delta connection. The part 1 is the star connection, the part 2 is the delta connection. The last lecture is a revision which will be stating whole module in a brief manner so you can remember it in your examination. And after this there is the continuation of your module 3 also. So let's move on to that. So the module 3 is comprising of two subtopics, that transformer and domestic wiring. So transformer has 6 lectures. So lecture 17 is about transformer, lecture 18 is about the necessity of transformer, lecture 19 is about the types of transformer, lecture 20 is the EMF equation of the transformer, lecture 21 is the losses and efficiency of the transformer, and lecture 22 is the condition of the maximum efficiency of this transformer. Domestic wiring is your next subtopic. Here you are comprising of 8 basic lectures. That means you will be knowing here about conduit wiring, which is your lecture 23. Lecture 24 is your 2-way and 3-way control of your domestic wiring. Lecture 25 is your fuse. Lecture 26 is your MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. Okay. Lecture 27 is your electric shock, about electric shock, and lecture 28 is your precaution against shock earthing. Lecture 29 is about earthing and its types, that is pipe earthing and plate earthing. Pipe earthing and plate earthing. The lecture 30 is here about the service mains, meter board and distribution board. The lecture 31 is a revision of this whole module 3 in a very brief manner so you can remember all the specific sub points, or you can say summarization of this, or a summarize of the module 3 so you can remember in your examination. So I will see you in the lecture section. Till then, be happy and have a great day.
Now is the code time. Make mistakes, learn from them, and move on. I hope you understood the overview of the module 2 and 3, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.